This is the most darling home. We are at 645 West Kent Avenue here in Missoula, Montana. This home is in the heart of Missoula, right across the street from a park. Completely remodeled in 2023. There's 5 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. It has a really strong rental history as well. I'm really excited to show you this one. Let's take a look. That wraps up our tour here at 645 West Kent Avenue in Missoula, Montana. This home is 1,946 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, completely remodeled, and right across the street from a park. For more information on this beautiful home, give me a call. I'm Dawn Maddox with Engel & Volkers, 406-550-4131. Thank you.